This video explains how to use free and open source scientific programs which can be downloaded from my website. The code is written using LabView programming language. If you have LabView installed on your computer, it's very easy to use all programs, and also you can check and reuse programming code. If you have LabView installed on your computer, you don't need to watch this video. But even in case if you don't have LabView, you can use this program for free, but before this you need to install some LabView library in your computer, which is also free. At present, this computer does not have LabView installed. I will download my program which calculates properties of silicon nanowire waveguides and run executable file. It will show error, but I will install LabView library, and after that everything will be okay. So in order to download, you go to content, and the last part is downloadable file, and for example you download calculate silicon waveguide zip file. Next, open this zip file, and you can see folder with LabView files which you don't need, and executable file. So just unzip it, and because this is executable file, but if you run it now, it shows this message, meaning that you don't have LabView library which you need to install. You have two choices. You can download directly from National Instrument website here, and it is important that you need version 2015. Doesn't matter 64 or 32 bits, both are okay. That is you can click download, but if you usually you need free registration, but you don't want this registration, you can download directly from my website, the library. Just click here. I already did download it. So that is a zip file. So again, unzip it. Yeah, in this case everything. So next you can install the LabView library. Just click setup. Yes. It will take a while. So 2015, remember. And just choose all. You don't need this, you only need the upper one, so just to save time. This is more complex stuff. Next, just unclick this, agree with this, again. So it will take a while to install, so just pause. So it's already finished, so just next. You can restart later. So now you can run this executable file of my program. So it's working perfectly. You can see video how it is working. No problem.